How to activate dark mode on YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually go ahead and then activate the dark mode on YouTube. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to activate dark mode on YouTube, all you have to do is, first of all, when you open YouTube, you can see I'm on the lighter theme. So if I want to switch to dark theme after I open YouTube, I just need to tap the profile icon from the top right. Then I need to go to settings. Then once I go to settings, I need to go to general option from the top of the screen. And then under general option, here you'll find app appearance. So you can just tap on app appearance. You have three options, which is to use device theme or dark theme or light theme, which means if you want the app to automatically follow your system theme, you can select use device theme. Or if I want to switch to dark, then I can select dark, and instantly you can see that YouTube application will be successfully switched to dark mode. And this is simply how you can get dark mode on YouTube. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.